where the mountains touch the sky and silence becomes the loudest sound. Every meal begins with gratitude, not hurry. Here, every ingredient is chosen by hand, fresh, simple, and untouched by the noise of the modern world. With every careful slice, a timeless tradition comes alive. No machine, no shortcuts, only patient hands and recipes carried through generations. Dhimi dhimi, the bread rises over the flame, fire adds warmth, smoke adds character, and time creates the flavor no factory ever could. Fresh herbs, rich spices, and honest ingredients come together inside warm bread, creating a meal as pure as the mountains themselves. While the world chases convenience, these mountains still whisper an ancient truth. The greatest meals are not made faster, they're made with patience, fire, and nature's soul.